Splitting an application into a collection of coupled services can help simplify your projects and clarify contributor responsibilities. After a while, you may come to realize that your monolith codebase is getting too big to handle. This is a common problem software projects come up against, even the most successful microservice systems, breaking up as they grow. If your app has become a giant, Platform.sh's configuration makes breaking it up into separate application containers very straightforward. You can move your existing application to a subdirectory, including its platform.app.yaml file. You can then move a new application, such as your API backend, to its own subdirectory, one that will contain its own platform.app.yaml file inside of it. Here, we're defining the backend application to use the Node.js 10 runtime. It installs its dependencies during the build hook with npm install and contains a single relationship to a RabbitMQ service. The app start command uses pm2 to run index.js, and inside that file, we can define a simple web server that listens on the Platform.sh defined port to serve some HTML. Since your services will be shared between each application container, everything in the .platform hidden configuration subdirectory will remain in the project root. You can optionally add services to your services.yaml file to help coordinate how your applications talk to each other, such as adding RabbitMQ to allow them to communicate asynchronously. In your new Microservices platform.app.yaml file, you can also configure the application to spawn worker containers with their own run configuration. Push the changes, and Platform.sh will orchestrate the newly configured cluster automatically. In your management console, you will be able to see that your service graph has been updated, now with 2 application containers. When you're satisfied with your new infrastructure, merge to master and see the changes in production from that point on. There is no requirement that application containers use the same runtime, so feel free to mix and match your supported languages to fit your needs.